All right, in this video, we are going to talk about the event A or B. So if we have two events A and another one B, right, then we can form a new event by doing the or of the two events, and that's A or B, okay? So A or B is going to be the event that either A or event B occurs, or actually both can occur, okay? So how you would form A or B is going to consist of all the elements in the sample space that are either in event A or in the event B, right? So remember in the last video we talked about A and B, right? Those are elements of the sample space that have to be in both A and B. But here they can be in either one or the other. They don't have to be in both, okay? All right, so let's take a look at some examples of this. All right, so here is the coin toss problem or experiment, and A is the event that the die comes up an odd number. So that was 1, 3, or 5, right, for that event. And then B is the event that a number 4 or bigger is rolled. So remember that was 4, 5, and 6. All right, so the event A or B is just going to be the event consisting of all of those. So 1, 3, and 5 are going to be in there. And also 4 and 6 are going to be in there. There's no point in listing the 5 twice. It just has to be listed once, even though that's in both, right? We could list them in order. It's probably a little bit easier, but you don't exactly either have to really either when you do that, okay? So again, we would not list 5 in there twice, right? We would just list it once in the set listing like this, okay? And that is A or B. So we just take everything in A, everything in B, and dump them together, basically. All right, next example is R and B again for the drawing a card and looking at the suit. Right? Remember, R is the event that a red card is drawn, so that's either diamonds or hearts, right? And then B is the event that a club is drawn. And we want to calculate R or B. All right. All right, so again, R or B, that's everything that's either in R or in B. So in this case, right, it would just be diamonds, hearts, clubs, and that's it on this one. Okay. So just take R, take B, dump them together. And that's R or B. All right, in the horse racing example that we've been looking at, right, A was the event that the top 2 favorites wins, and that's the ones with the lowest odds. So that's horse 3 and horse 4, right, because they have the lowest numbers here on odds. And then C was the event that the winning horse's number is at most 3, right? So that's the event containing horse 1, horse 2. Oh no, I just erased everything by accident. Or horse 3. All right, so let me draw that back. A was 2, 3, and B was 1, 2, 3. All right, and we want A or B. Or I think it was C. Yeah, C, sorry. Let me fix that. Okay, and so we just take everything and dump them together. So we have from A, we have 2, and we have 3, and then the only thing extra in 1 is in C is 1. Okay. So putting these together into one set, right? We are one event. We get the event containing 2, 3, and 1, which is exactly the same as C, right? 1, 2, 3. That's because really A is a subset, right, of C. Everything in A is also in C. So when we take the OR of those two events, right, we just get the set containing 1, 2, and 3. So you could say that this is also equal to C as well. Remember, the order does not matter in which we list those things inside there, and we don't repeat stuff either, right? We don't write 2 twice. It's just either in there or not in there. So, okay. All right, on this one we want C or D. Okay, and so let me take a picture of that and just draw on it rather than write all that stuff out, which would take quite a while. All right, so let's remember what C is. C is the event that the first toss is ahead. So that is everything. Oops, let me pick a color that stands out here a little more. Okay. So that's C, right? The first toss is ahead. And then D is the event that all 4 tosses come up the same. So that's going to be this and this, right? This one right here. So when you do C or D, right, that's just basically dumping everything together. And so I'm going to color that one in green. So that would be everything that's in here, right? And this one, including this one here, all tails over here. Okay? So just take everything in the blue that's circled in blue, everything that's red, and put those all together. That's the event C or D. Okay? All right. All right, let's take a, actually, I think what I will do is put these examples in their own short videos. Okay? All right, so we'll put these in separate videos.